Hi guys, today we are going to talk about finding the volume of pyramids and cones, and we're going to take the same formula we've been using for volume for prisms. Remember, a prism is solid all the way through. It has the same base on the top as it does on the bottom. But we're going to take that same formula and we're basically just going to multiply it by 1/3. So if I were to fill this up 3 times and pour it into a cylinder with the same base and the same height, it would take me 3 times to fill up the cylinder. Okay, same thing is true for the pyramid. Okay, so it comes to a point at the top. That's how you know it's a pyramid or a cone. So for example number 3, we're going to find the area of the base. So the base is a rectangle. So we're going to do 8 times 5, which is 40. And then we're going to multiply it by the height and 1/3. So we're going to take our 40 times the height here, which is 10, and then times 1/3. So we're going to get 133.3. Our units are yards. We're still doing volume, so it's cubed. Okay? That's pretty much all there is. So here we have a circle as our base, and the diameter is 22, so the radius is half of that, which is 11. So we're going to find the area of the base, which is pi r squared. So pi times 11 squared is 121 pi. And I'll go ahead and put yards squared. So the volume is going to be 1/3 of that. So 1/3 of 121 pi. Oops. 121 pi times the height, which is 22. So we're going to do 121 times 22 divided by 3 times pi is going to be 2787.6 yards cubed. So on these, you pretty much have to use decimals. The pi thing isn't going to really work unless you get an even number. Okay, here we have a triangle. So the triangles are a little bit harder because remember the area for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. The only base and height we care about are the parts of the triangle. So this is going to be 1/2 8 times 6. Oops. So 1/2 of 48 is 24. So the area of just the base here is 24 feet squared. To find the volume of the whole thing, I'm going to do 1/3 times the area of the base, which is 24, times the height, which is 12. So 24 times 12 is going to be 96. And we're going to use feet cubed. Okay. And then, let's see, that one's blank. So we're going to try to find these. So we look at our base. Now our base here is a rectangle. So first we're going to find the area of the rectangle. That's just 7 times 8, which is 56. And then we're going to take that, the volume is going to be 1/3 of that times the height, which is 11. So 56 times 11 divided by 3 is 205.3, and our units are feet cubed. All right, and then finally we have a circle down here. This is our cone. Now the radius you have to recognize is only 10, so the radius is 10. So the area of our base is pi r squared, which is pi times 10 squared, which is 100 pi. And then to find the volume, we're going to do 1/3 of 100 pi times our height, which is 20. So 100 pi times 20 divided by 3, that is going to give us 2,094.4 inches cubed. Okay? All right.